Dobar den, drago mi je što sam tukaj s vas. Dear Prime Minister, Mr. Zaev, dear Mayor, Mr. Shapov, dear developer of the project, Mr. Stashevsky. We are glad to announce the signing of the acquisition of the wind farm project in Bogdanci here today. The beginning of the realization of such a big project represents a great professional pleasure for us. We are investing 40 million euros into the project of this wind park in the municipality of Bogdanci with a nominal power of 30 megawatts. We believe that we will be able to set up and put into operation 6 wind turbines by the year 2023. The investment will be made as a partnership between two companies, Interenergo as the lead partner and Trigal as the partner. Interenergo from Ljubljana is one of the most active investors in the Southeast Europe, committed to produce electricity from entirely green, sustainable sources. We are 100% subsidiary of KELAG from Austria. We have been conducting electricity trading activities in North Macedonia now for 10 years already, so we are not new to this this country. We've been conducting and with this project of wind farm Bogdanci, we now offer a full scope of services, also energy services, and we contribute to the green and environmentally friendly, sustainable development of the Northern Macedonia. Trigal is a joint venture of one of the biggest pension fund asset managers from Germany, with the assets under management around 23 billion euros, and with a vast portfolio of renewable projects throughout the entire Europe, and the insurance company Triglav. As already mentioned, we fulfill the needs for electricity using sources that impact the environment as little as possible. This is our commitment. Our investment will ensure environmentally friendly production of electricity from renewable sources for around 18,000 households and will positively contribute to the self-sufficiency of the Macedonian energy supply. During construction, we will engage local service providers to the maximum extent possible. We strongly believe the investment will provide benefits to the local community and the state of North Macedonia. I would like to emphasize that we have vast corporate experience in managing similar projects, and because of that, I expect the agreement to be realized in full and on time. On this occasion, I would like to thank all stakeholders for the support so far. We are looking for a fruitful cooperation in the future and support from the North Macedonian authorities to realize the project on the deadline. So thank you all very much.